Okay, we move to the next one. Standing kasra is exactly same as ya sakin, which has a kasra behind it, so you make it long. E, B, T, and we've done it over there, so practice that over there. Let's do the exercises. Remember, this standing kasra is also long, so you make it long. E, la, fi. So we have standing kasra here, which is long. Lam, on the lam we have a standing fatha, which is long, and fi is short. Ilafi, ilafi, ilafi. Next one, bihi, bihi, bihi. Next one, ain is short, ba is long, dal is short, and ha, as you can see, there's a kasra, standing kasra on the ha. I, ba, di, hi, ibadihi. Remember, this is ain, not hamza, ibadi. This is I, not I. Ibadihi. Again, ibadihi. Don't stretch on the wrong places. Ibadihi. Spend extra time on this word. Then the next one, ru, su, li, hi. See, only the he is long because it has a standing kasra, and the rest of them has just normal dhamma and kasra. Rusulihi, rusulihi. Next one, nurihi, 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 nurihi. The next one, wa is short, qi, ya, sakin, and which has a kasra behind it, so it's long. Qi, and don't forget it's not qi or ki, but it's a big qaf. Qi. Wa qi li hi, wa qilihi, wa qilihi. Don't forget the big qaf. Don't make some mistake on this big qaf. Again, wa qilihi. Again, wa qilihi. So take extra time on this, repeat them more. Next one, ha is long, the, he is also long. One has a standing fatha and the other one has a standing kasra. Ha, small ha, and the zal, not za, remember. Ha, the, he, hadhihi, hadhihi, hadhihi. Next one, you can see small, just a normal kasra on the ba. Bi, ka, li, ma, ti, hi, bi kalimatihi, bi kalimatihi. You see, only the mim and ha are long, the rest of them are short. Bi kalimatihi. Again, bi kalimatihi. Next one, see the B short, A long, Ya long, T is short, and He is long. B, A, Ya, T, He. Bi ayatihi, bi ayatihi. Again, bi ayatihi. Next one again, bi, ki, ta, bi, he. See the ta and ha are long because they have mad asli on them or huruf mad on them, and the rest of them are short. Bi kitabihi, bi kitabihi, bi kitabihi. Next one, bi short, ya short, mi long, ni short, and he long. Bi yaminihi, bi yaminihi, bi yaminihi. Next one, fi is long and he is short. Fihi, fihi. If the he has a standing kasra, then obviously it's going to be long. Fihi, but it has just a normal kasra on there. Fihi. So repeat those words that are difficult, especially the waqilihi and ibadihi. Don't mispronounce any letter.
إلهنا ما أعدلك مليك كل من ملك